Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz ML Class W164 and how to upgrade your fog lights. My fog lights stock come this yellowish color. They're halogen bulbs and I'm going to be replacing them with LED. First thing you want to do is remove this cover. There's a hole right here. I'm going to just stick my finger through and pull straight out. And be gentle with this as there's tabbings all the way around and everything's plastic and you don't want these plastic tabbings to break. And then just gently start pulling out. So once this is out of the way, remove the Torx screws 1 and 2. I'm going to be using a T20 Torx bit along with a screwdriver. So if one of the screws ends up being stuck, like for example mine is stuck right here, it's fine as long as one's out of the way. We just need a little bit of space to get behind. And right behind, I'm going to disconnect the power. And to do that, grab this plastic and pull it to the side. Do the same on both sides. And then twist the bulb. You'll hear a click and that means it's unlocked. Installation is pretty simple. There's these 3 tabbings around the bulb. Just match them up with the housing. Once correctly placed in, just twist and they'll lock in place. Now it's time to connect the power. There's a small little box I'm going to have to place inside. I'm going to use double-sided tape and mount it right in place. But before doing all this, you want to make sure your fog lights are working. So let's see how they look. And they are working. They are very bright and white compared to my stock bulbs. Here's the stock compared to the LED upgrade. I'm going to do the same with the other side, and once everything's done, I'm going to close it in place and then I'll share with you my final results. One tip is you want to be very careful, especially since I had the fog lights on for a couple of minutes. The bulbs are burning hot, so either wear some gloves or let the bulbs cool down. Installing the cover back is fairly easy. Just to line up the bottom tabs into those slots and do the same all the way around. Once all of them are aligned, just give it a gentle push. Just like that. And here are the night results. As you can see, the fog lights make a huge difference. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.